G'day everyone, thanks for joining us. Me and Mrs Yowie, we're down the river again. We're going to do a spot of fishing, have a little bit of a paddle, and as usual we're going to have a bit of a cook up. Well, come and join us. Yeah, look, we got ourselves a little fishing platform. I'll spin you around and show you. Ute parked up there, ready to cook. I'm not going to cook the ute, I'm going to cook something on it. This is where we're going to try and catch fish. Alright, time to bait up the hook. Well, the fish aren't biting down at the platform, so I've jumped in the canoe, come down to these stumps down here and have a try. Water looks deeper out here. Just set the rod again. I missed me bite. I took me worm. Put another one on. Now I'm going to go and cook up because, yeah, I'm getting hungry. And the fish aren't biting. So the yowies are going to have chicken bacon burgers for lunch while we're down here fishing. So yeah, going to put some garlic, pepper, parsley in with the chicken mince, some egg, bacon on a nice bun. Bob's your uncle. Time to cook up. Well, the chicken mince all seasoned up with the garlic, parsley, pepper, salt. Got some onion, tomatoes, some bacon, some chopped up bacon, ready to be put on the heat to cook. So I'll get back to you when I'm frying it up. The chicken burgers are cooking away, looking nice, I might add. Time to do the bacon and the onion and the eggs. What I neglected to say was that we've also put the shrimp net in and the yabby net. So we're going to have a look and see what's inside.
Can't hear much activity. Nothing in there.
Nah, still too cold. Now the yabby net. Oh, we caught a bone.
Mr. D likes to look at that.
Alrighty, now we got the onions and the bacon frying up. And then we're ready to mount up, build this burger. Alright, there we have it. Built the burgers. Chicken, bacon, onion, tomato, egg, cheese. And a little bit of dead horse. Go on top of it. Alright everyone, that brings us to the end of this video. No fish again. We can't help that. That's fishing, otherwise it'd be called catching. Alright, well me and Mrs. Yowie, we're going to hit the road and go home. So, from here, I say, see you later, be safe, be well, look after yourselves. Hooroo!